Hi, and welcome to TAM Studios. My name is Santos Vandari, and I am a technical account manager here at Sydney, Australia. In this feature release, we are going to discuss about Genesys Cloud Background Assistant support for CX Cloud. This feature was released on 29th of July, 2024. So let's get started. So Genesys Cloud Background Assistant is a helper program that makes screen recording possible when using Genesys Cloud in a web browser. Currently, it is only supported in Windows environment. It automatically runs when your computer starts. Now, with this feature, it now supports CX Cloud from Genesys and Salesforce. Genesys Cloud Background Assistant can be downloaded from Genesys Cloud Resource Center. We have provided you the link in the description below. So how does it work? Let's look at the demo environment. Okay, so to do the screen recording, we need to set up the policy. I'm under the admin, quality admin, and policies. Here I have set up a screen record policy. If you look at the screen record policy, so the matching criteria is voice call, and then for specific user Santos Bandari, and the conversation duration is over 2 seconds. And under the actions to perform, we have set up initiate screen recording. This way, now we have set up the policy. So to avoid the confusion, I'm going to log out from this Genesys Cloud application, and I'll open the CX Cloud application. So I'm going to close this thing. Here I have the CX Cloud open. And now I'm going to get a voice call. Hello, hello. Testing, testing, testing. This is CX Cloud testing for Genesys Cloud Background Assistance. Okay, I'm going to end the call now. Now I have ended the call. So let's see if it recorded the screen or not. So I'm going to open new browser, and then I'm going to open Genesys Cloud application here. I'm going to log in now, and I'll go to the performance workspace, and I'm going to close all tabs and just go to the interactions. So this is the last interaction that's happened. If I open it, and I have to go to the next page here and click on this view screen recordings.
Hello, hello. Testing, testing, testing. This is CX Cloud testing for Genesys Cloud Background Assistance. Okay, I'm going to end the call now.
You saw it recorded the entire screen of the agents. I hope this video helped you how you can use Genesys Cloud Background Assistance to record agents' screen in CX Cloud. If you have any questions, please don't forget to comment below in this video inside the community. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.